Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can connect LinkedIn to your GoHighLevel account to take the lead form information and integrate it directly into GoHighLevel. So let's get right into it. So when you start in your GoHighLevel dashboard, you're going to go over here to settings on the bottom left, and you're going to go right over to integrations, and then you're going to come down to LinkedIn and connect your account. So once your account is connected, go and click select ad accounts. And here, if you have multiple ad accounts, you can go ahead and choose which one you want to select. For me, I only have one, so let's go ahead and connect it. So once that's connected, you're going to have this pop-up come on your screen to configure the field mapping. You're going to go ahead and click that blue button right there for you, and you're going to come over here to this field mapping page. Here in my LinkedIn account, I do have this ad already for AI automation agency, and it's already here in the GoHighLevel field mapping. So we're just going to come over here and map the fields. So here in the map fields, we just have the basic information we need: the first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name, and our question: do you have any task in mind that you would like to automate? If yes, please describe. No, if not. So now we're just going to select each one we can correspond to in the drop down menus. Now you have this form mapped out from your LinkedIn ad account into your GoHighLevel. So now let's create an automation for it. So here in our automation, we're just going to go ahead and click start from scratch. So before we go ahead and get started, let's just name this workflow. We just went ahead and named it AAA Ad 1 for AI Automation Agency. So the first part of this automation is we're going to go ahead and add the trigger LinkedIn form submitted, and we're going to add filter, select page, select operator is, and the AI automation agency. So for this automation, we're going to keep it pretty simple. And so the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is add a tag. We're just going to go ahead and name this tag LinkedIn lead number 1, add new tag, click save action. Now the next thing we want to do is go ahead and add a SMS. So here for our SMS, we put a brief thank you message, and we will reach back to you shortly. We're going to go ahead and click save action. And so this is a basic automation you can create for messaging your leads that come in. You can obviously change this to how you will depending on what kind of advertising you're running. And so I hope you found this video very helpful now that you can use LinkedIn form field mapping just like you can with TikTok and Facebook.